so our next sample is the circle paper sample. It's really, honestly, very much like the square paper sample. You just want to go ahead and put that under the machine. You're going to do the same thing where you line up the line with that little notch in the presser foot. Make sure that that is going to actually go on the line. And just go very slow. You want to make sure that you are at a 3 or even a 2.5 for this one. The thing is, this will get harder and harder as you go to a smaller radius, so you want to have as much control as you possibly can. You also want to make sure that you don't set the stitch length so small that you're not moving or that you're shredding the paper. So 2.5 is about as low as you can go. Anyway, so now that we've got that, it's going to require you to kind of do like a constant pivot. This is where you want to make sure that you set a slow and steady pace, because it's much easier to control the paper as you continue sewing, rather than that kind of herky-jerky start and stop. And as you can see, right on the line, but you also want to make sure that, like I say, slow and steady. Okay, so you would just continue on through all of those circles, but when you get to those inner circles, it just means you have to be even more vigilant. So, because one thing, this notch is now starting to, you have to kind of know what that angle is going to be and kind of keep that consistent angle. The other thing is, it becomes even more important that you can see that little window and where the needle is going to hit the line, and you need to watch that really carefully. Okay? Just go slow. Okay? If you feel like you might be getting a little bit off, go ahead and just hand crank for 1 or 2 to kind of right yourself, and then get right back into it. Okay? And that's how you're going to complete it.